Well, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you why a company would pay you to implement artificial intelligence in their business. And yes, we're going to look at what's happening with businesses because as we already know, everyone is looking for artificial intelligence, but why is this really happening? Why is it so trendy and what's going on? Not exactly, so let's take a look. Before we get started with this, I want to ask you, how many times have you gone to a hospital or a dental clinic or wherever and the receptionist has taken minutes or even hours to help you because, well, they've literally been, I don't know, fiddling with the computer or doing something else? I know it's happened many times. And, well, I'm sure you have an example. If it's not one of the ones I mentioned, maybe it's something else. But anyway, imagine this happening not in person, but over the phone or by message. Or those times when you call the bank and they pick up, but then keep you on hold for hours or minutes or whatever, and it's such a pain. Now imagine how a business owner feels knowing they're losing time and money, obviously because one employee isn't enough for a company or a business. Now let's look at a big example. Here in the United States, a minimum office salary could easily be anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000, maybe more but less. Honestly, I don't think so for a minimum salary. We're talking per month. And of course, every office has several employees and each of them takes breaks. Naturally, we're human. They make mistakes, they work at different speeds, they need rest. So the business is actually losing money because it's not operating at maximum efficiency compared to what artificial intelligence could offer, as we'll see in a moment, but that's not the case here. The thing is, for a business owner, lost time means lost money. So why wouldn't a business owner replace employees if they have the chance to use AI that's faster, cheaper, and literally never needs a break? I know it's sad, but that's exactly why we're talking about being replaced, literally. It's sad. Even I, honestly, am scared. By 2030, more than 40 or 50% of jobs will be automated and we're not really aware of it. But anyway, that's a completely different topic. Just imagine working non-stop 365 days a year. It's cheaper than hiring an employee, paying for insurance, and so on. There are no salaries or benefits. Literally, for an agent, what are you going to pay them? You implement it once in your company and that's it. You don't have to worry anymore. At most, there's a small monthly fee, which is very low and can't even be compared to what you'd pay a human, for example, not to mention all the paperwork and additional payments for healthcare, etc. that come with it. It's crazy. It scales instantly, literally, from 1 to 1,000 clients. I mean, it's insane. I mean, really, an AI can serve more than 100 people at once, more than 1,000 people at once without any problem because, well, in this case, let's use a rack as an example. A rack is basically a database that has a receptionist agent. Imagine you're typing in the chat, hey, tell me the privacy policies. Right away, that receptionist is going to grab that privacy policy and analyze it. Okay, this is here. So we're literally going to send it to them. That's it. I mean, it's not going to have any kind of error. Literally, this works through vectors. This is a more complex technical topic. There's no need to explain it now, but just so you understand, it can't make a mistake. There's no margin for error when it has exact information. If someone always asks what a rack is, what is a rack? If someone asks what the privacy policies are, it will literally always answer that. So keep that in mind. It's very, very powerful. And now we're going to move on to these voice agents that are so powerful, so in demand by literally all companies, really. Just imagine, an agent that answers calls here in the United States, I'm using this as an example, is actually one of the most in-demand things. Phone agents who pick up the phone and assist you better than a person could. I mean, it's crazy. On top of that, they can schedule calls for you, give immediate responses, and handle more than one person on the line at the same time without any problem. Plus, there are no delays. It's perfect efficiency. I mean, it's insane, right? There are no wait times where you call and have to wait a minute, or sometimes that minute stretches to half an hour. You just call and in 3 seconds they'll pick up the phone, help you, book your appointment, confirm it, send it to the company or business, and that's it. It's that easy. There's absolutely no complication. And on top of that, they're completely customizable. I mean, you can create either a male or female voice, you can add an accent or not. In fact, you can even clone the voice of the business owner or whoever was there before, for example, the previous receptionist. Well, you can do that too. It's crazy. Honestly, it's just insane. 24/7 support with no waiting and AI chat. We all already know this, absolutely everyone. We've already had some types of chatbots before, for example, where you have a couple of options you can click on and then you can talk directly. This is even more powerful because literally it's a chatbot with services, prices, etc. And it's not like you just have a few options to click on and depending on that you can talk to it. It's completely open, it has all the prices, it has absolutely everything, and you can talk to it as if it were someone actually attending to you. And on top of that, they're also customizable. In fact, you can practically make calls to the same person as the chat person. I mean, it's ridiculous, but it's possible. Of course, just imagine the owner of a business or anyone knows they won't lose customers because they couldn't attend to them, so they'll be very happy to have someone who's obviously active at 4 in the morning, at 2 in the morning, at 1 in the afternoon. At any time, they'll be able to respond. And if someone asks about services, here's the answer. Instantly personalized without any kind of problem. Obviously, there's a much higher conversion rate, and of course, a higher conversion rate means more money. More money means more time for the business owner, and that's all they want, because I suppose if they're already a business owner, they already have money, right? We're talking about medium or large companies here. In other words, it's all, well, you see, it's all advantages. And now I want you to imagine a large company that receives thousands and thousands of emails. So let's say they have 2 or 3 employees. Let's use this simple example, who have to open the email, check how much the invoice is, enter it into an Excel sheet, send it to the boss for verification, get it approved again, and then send it back. Now imagine all of this being done with a simple automation that handles everything at once. An email comes in, okay, that's the trigger, it sets off the workflow. Basically, it's going to check it, send it, and if something is wrong, it'll send it back and say, hey, this is wrong, we need to do something about this. Or if everything is correct, it just approves it directly and sends it to Google Sheets. Anything at all? This is crazy. And basically, it's already saving them anywhere from 10 to 100,000, or actually about $50 to $100,000 for all the workers, who are now replaced by this automation. And I can assure you they'll be happy to pay you between $10,000 and $15,000 for it. So really, this is your moment to start automating all these processes, to be one of the first, because I assure you, if you don't start right now, you're going to miss out. Mainly because maybe you have imposter syndrome, which might be telling you that it's already a bit late since this has been around for a while or whatever, but I assure you, you're still very early, and I can guarantee it, because you have to convince the business owners themselves, or rather, show them what this artificial intelligence is actually capable of. I mean, it's such a new model, a business model, so to speak, that even the owners or entrepreneurs themselves literally don't know what this is about. And remember this, because it's very true, early means rich. Everyone who got into crypto early succeeded. In dropshipping, they succeeded. In coaching, they succeeded. Literally, in everything you get into early, you get your reward. So don't build AI, use AI, and I assure you that with this, you'll realize what it's capable of. I mean, 90% of the population really only uses ChatGPT for work tasks or for school. For example, give me a summary, or hey, what should I put in this text, or something like that. I mean, they're very simple things. Get the most out of ChatGPT, squeeze everything you can from it, and I assure you that you'll also start to realize everything it's capable of. Honestly, we can't even begin to imagine everything ChatGPT can do. It's really crazy. And well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Honestly, I wanted to explain to you how a company could really pay you without any problem if you truly learn this. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not exactly easy, but honestly, it's not that hard either. It all depends on how much effort you actually put in, sitting in front of the computer to study automation, artificial intelligence, receptionists, voice agents, and I assure you, once you grasp the concepts, you even start to get the hang of it, because this is honestly so interesting at its core, and it's literally the future. So if you don't study it now, you might end up having to learn it the hard way in the future. So it's up to you to choose whether you're the one. Well, although I have to say, if you're here and you finish this video, you're probably already on the right track. So now, it's truly all in your hands. Best of luck on your journey.